Welcome to Lab 18. In this exercise, we'll work with a newly attached 10 gigabyte disk, /dev/SDC. The objective is to create a primary partition, write the partition table to disk, verify the changes, and format the new partition with a file system so it could be used. First, we need to verify that the system detects the new disk. We use lsblock command to list block devices. This output shows our primary system drive, /dev/SDA1, which is right here, and the new 10 gigabyte device, which is /dev/SDC, which is right here. This confirms the disk is available for partitioning. Next, we launch the fdisk utility on the entire device with the command fdisk, and that's /dev/SDC. This opens an interactive session where we can create, modify, and write partitions. Inside fdisk, we create a partition by entering the end command. We accept the default options. We could see them down here. We have partition type, partition number, and that's going to be 1, first sector, last sector, etc., etc. This results in a single partition that uses the full 10 gigabytes of the disk. At this stage, the partition exists only in memory. To save it to disk, we enter the command W. This writes the partition table to /dev/SDC and it exits the fdisk utility. To confirm the new partition, we could do two things. One, run the lsblock command, or the following. So here, this just confirms that the partition has been successfully created. Now, finally, we prepare the new partition with a file system. For this lab, we're going to use ext4, one of the most common Linux file systems. The command is as follows. And then it is /dev/SDC1. Once this completes, the partition is ready. Once we hit enter, essentially the partition is ready for mounting and use. In this lab, we verified the presence of a new disk, created a partition using fdisk, wrote the changes to disk, confirmed the new partition, and formatted with the ext4 file system. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you folks tomorrow for a new lab. All right, take care.